Consider a Greywater diversion septic system for a tiny house to reduce septic loading and reuse shower and sink water for irrigation. Designate a separate collection for showers and bathroom sinks by rerouting those drains into a dedicated Greywater line that never mixes with kitchen wastewater. Use a simple branch drain system with a diverter valve so you can switch between dispersal and form fill for maintenance. Direct that Greywater to a mulch mound or a shallow subsurface irrigation field sized for plant types and local evapotranspiration rates. Size it based on expected daily water use, not building square footage. Install a small treatment filter or coarse sediment trap and a simple biological or sand filter before reuse to reduce hair, lint, and soap scum, and to protect soil and plants. Route the kitchen sink and dishwasher to the septic when required by code or when oils and food solids would otherwise clog the reuse system. Always check and follow local Greywater regulations and setbacks to avoid fines and to keep groundwater and public health safe. A common mistake is undersizing the dispersal area, which causes saturation and surface pooling. Fix this by calculating daily Greywater volume and sizing the mulch mound to double the expected peak so soils can percolate freely. Another issue is failing to filter out solids and grease, which clogs lines and harms plants. Resolve that by adding a simple inline filter and using low phosphate and biodegradable soaps and less hair-shedding textiles. People often forget to include an accessible diversion or bypass for winter or heavy rains, so install an easy-to-reach valve and label it clearly so you can send Greywater to septic when needed. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare approaches for Greywater systems so we can learn options and get multiple bids. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and our site includes a discussion community where we and others share field experience and practical tips.